Hello and welcome to Power Platform Fundamentals in a Day. My name is Shaun, founder of Fine Tuning Analysis. This course will go through Power Virtual Agents, Power Automate and Power Apps, and it will be a case study themed course. We will not be going into detail in any of these tools. This course is more themed to students that want to take advantage of Microsoft Copilot and ChatGPT, for example, to utilize with the Microsoft Power Platform tools. If you're someone that doesn't have the time to learn, for example, the formula language of Power Apps or Power Automate, and you want to harness ChatGPT to essentially help you on that process, this course is for you. It's a case study themed course where we will act as a recently hired digital transformation consultant, where we've been hired to come in and help with a couple of manual processes that build up to a very large process within a client in the construction industry. We'll be starting off with Power Virtual Agents, where we will be using the tool to build internal Microsoft Teams bots that will essentially help users within the organization find documents, for example, and save time with repetitive questions. We will then move on to Power Automate, where we will build some automated flows. An example of an automated flow that we will build will be we will receive documents from the bank, for example, which is essentially backup to show what work we have completed. We will build flows that will automatically save these in SharePoint in specific folders. We will also build out flows that will utilize Microsoft Forms and approvals within Microsoft Teams to help with approval processes as well and make those totally automated. Finally, we'll finish off with building out the actual app within Power Apps. This app will store the data on SharePoint, and it will actually track all of the tasks that have been completed for all of the units that we're building out. And we will then finally connect the data that is on SharePoint that we're gathering in that app to Power BI, and finally send an automated email to the bank every 2 weeks to basically say, this is the work that we have done. So totally automating a couple of manual processes that made up, again, one large process with the use of all of the Power Platform tools.